5a. State four similarities between the Christian and traditional African views on marriage. In both, marriage is ordained, blessed by God, gift from God. In both, marriage is for procreation. In both, marriage is for companionship.
Marriage should be permanent. In both, the husband and the wife should respect one another. In both, marriage gives a new status to those who enter them. For example, it qualifies them for leadership roles. Faithfulness in marriage is encouraged in both. In both, remarriage or remarrying is encouraged after the death of a spouse. In both, the husband and the wife should give conjugal rights to each other. In both, the husband is the head of the family. Question 5. C. No, 5B. Question 5B. Give 6 reasons why some young people are choosing to remain unmarried in Kenya today. They have seen incidences of broken marriages, or they've experienced unfaithfulness in marriage. In order to pursue their careers or education, they are not ready to take up responsibilities of marriage. There is also poverty or lack of jobs or inadequate resources to start a family. Permissiveness allows many to satisfy their sexual lusts without marriage commitment. Failure to get an expected ideal partner. Marriage is no longer a communal duty. That is, it is an individual decision. Religious commitment / superstition hinder one from involving themselves in marriage. Low self-esteem / lack of confidence / fear of being jilted or / failed relationship. Question 5C.
5C. Identify 6 ways in which the church is helping to solve the problem of domestic violence in Kenya. Offering guidance and counseling to the couples who are affected. Holding seminars, conferences for married couples. Developing mass media programs on family relationships. Praying for families. Preaching teachings on the need for love, respect, tolerance in marriage. Visiting members in their homes to encourage them. Giving material assistance employment to the needy in order to reduce tension. Condemn all forms of violence. Settling disputes among couples children.